Hello students. So in the last few videos of microcontroller lecture series, we studied the basic concepts of 8051 microcontroller. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you a few Android applications which is most useful for you during this lockdown period for better understanding of 8051 microcontroller concepts. So 8051 microcontroller is one Android application. So you just go through with the Play Store 8051 microcontroller application. So in this application you can see all the instructions of 8051 microcontroller. uh, all the instructions are listed here. It was shuffled, both arithmetic and logical instructions, data transfer instructions, and branching instructions are shuffled here. So add application or add instruction, which gives a brief introduction about instruction and size of the instruction, and few syntax are shown here, and few examples are also shown in this window. And so respective programs will also found in another window, that is basic programs of in assembly level, that is transfer block of a data. Here is a program, assembly level program, to transfer a block of a data and find the largest number. So a set of programs are there. So go through these programs, you will understand the logics of the programs. And one more application, that is 8051 Studio Lite application. So this Studio Lite application will covers the complete concepts of 8051. So that is a few basics of 8051. Starts from pin assignment. So pin configuration of 8051, you can see a small description about all the pins are here, and the block diagram of 8051 and memory organization. What we already discussed in the lectures, those are all picturized in this Android application, so it will be useful for summarizing the concept also. So special function register, that is SFR register, all SFR registers are listed here. So in this basic 8051 basic, you came to know uh, the concepts of 8051, that's a basement for 8051 microcontroller, and few resources are also there, the same resources, that is basic concepts. And in order to build any microcontroller project, you need to learn the data sheets of a few microcontroller families. So those data sheets are we can see through this window. So at 89S58, so microcontroller family, we can see the data sheet of Atmel microcontroller. And few series of memories also you can see. So this is a data sheet of Atmel microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller with 8 GB memory, IN system programmable flash. So here is a pin configuration, block diagram, and pin description is given. So by using this data sheet, we can use uh, this microcontroller family, that is STC series is also shown, and series EPROM and ADC LCD controllers, whichever the families of interfacing devices are available, the data sheets are available, that is MISC and some sensors, ultrasonic sensors, and LCD controllers and the ADC controllers. So these are all data sheets we can access by using this application, and few demo applications are here. So in this demo, the circuit connection for a keypad detection is shown in this field, and here is a circuit connection of 8051 microcontroller with a keypad demo. So by using this circuit, if we solder these connections of the port of 8051 microcontroller, definitely we can build a keypad that is a simple applications, home automation or any applications. You can use these circuits, and few display circuits and sensor applications, how to connect the sensors, everything we can see in this application. So if you want to build a small project by 8051 also, you can build by using this application. So this is about 8051 Studio, and one more important application, that is Arduino, because nowadays almost all embedded systems or minor projects are constructed by using this Arduino only. Arduino is also a type of a microcontroller, but it is a bit easier than compared to Atmega or any types of microcontroller, because all the prototype programs you can access in Arduino. So you need to purchase the board in order to interface this Arduino microcontroller to the Android application. So this is the Arduino Uno board. So Arduino Uno board will be connected to any further applications like interfacing, which kind of interfacing circuit you want, you will construct that things. Here in this sidebar you can see the analog read serial data. So description about how to connect the serial, and also code is also included in this tab. You can use this basic information, and in digital tab you can you can see the blink without a delay. Some programs are there, C code, Android codes. We can use that code and we can build our own project by connecting a simulators. So this is about the Android applications. So I think this Android applications is most useful for you for better understand the 8051 microcontroller concept, and also you can build your own project. So please student go through with these applications and read all the instructions, and it may useful for your future projects also. Thank you.